number 5. There are 35 girls and 45 boys in a class. Find the ratio of A and B. You have done with this. You have to show it to the screen. Yes, first one, you 35 by 45, 79 ratio. Very good. Ratio of girls to the total number of the student, that 35 by 80, 7 by 16. Very good. Correct. Now the next one is the sixth. We have to find the ratio of all of the lowest following part: A, B, C, D and E. And then you have to give the lowest form. Now do the seventh part. Show it to the. First A part is 5 multiplied by 100. That is converted now. 500. And then 75 by 500. 3 by 20. Very good. Now go down. How did you do the 7,000 by, okay, can you explain this score and the units dozen? How did you find 36 by 40? C part.
Alright, so 36, like if it is like a dozen equals to 12 units.
Yes.
So it's like 3 dozen. 3 multiplied by 12 is 36.
Very good.
Score is 2. Then will be like score is like
20 units, na? 2 multiplied by 20 units for the score, that will become 40.
20 units is per score. So
Yes, now show it to the screen again.
40. And then it's gonna be 9 in this one.
Yes, and the next part, D part, that is 61 by D part, little bit below. Below. Okay, 61 by 7, and the last part is 24 by 85. Very good, correct answer. Now the seventh one, the comparison. Show the seventh one. Seven by 6, 24 by 9. You just solve it. 3 and you get 6. Okay, very good. And go down. That is, first you have the number 4 by 56. Now 8 multiplied by 7, 7 multiplied by 8 on both sides. But Anand, do you think that you multiplied 56 below, then you have to multiply that number with 4 and 5 as well?
No, I don't think so.
No. In the previous one, no. If you are going to multiply 3 below, you have to multiply 3 above as well. Numerator and denominator both. Look here from this example. The example which is on this page. Look, when they multiplied 2 below, they also multiplied 2 with 5 as well. 10 by 24.
I know, it's because they gave the denominator as 24. And then what equals 24? 12 times 2 equals 24. So it is 2, 5 should also be multiplied by 2.
Yes, then 5 should also be, if the denominator is multiplying, then numerator should be multiplied with the same number.
Yeah.
Okay, and I think you didn't.
No, it's because denominator we already found it at the LCM. Then we just have to find like.
But we have to multiply it, na? We have to, according to the rules. That's why. Okay? Do you have any question in this exercise? Did you understood everything? So far so good? Very good. So we'll see you in the next lecture, in which we have to solve the problems. Okay? We have finished with the exercise 10A. We have to do the application based questions. These are total 8 till 16. So these are the solution of these application based questions. In the first one, we have to do the ratio between earnings to ratios, and the ratio will be 25,000 divided by 5,000. This will be the ratio. And then expenditure earnings, we have to do the subtraction first. For the expenditure, the expenses, his expenses, 25,000 is earnings minus with the saving, you will get the expenditure. And after that, you have to do the ratio of this part as well. After doing the ratio, you will get the ratio from salary to the expenditure, that is 5 into 4. Okay?
Yeah, 5 is to 4.
Yes, 5 ratio into 4. In the ninth one, we have to find the ratio length to the breadth of the field. So basically I just put the ratio of length here and the ratio of breadth here, and I get the ratio 4/3. Simply like this. Okay.
Okay.
And this is the final answer. And after that I have the total. Now the next one, in the question number 10, you have to find the green ball ratio into the total number of balls inside the bag. So basically I just did the total ball. We have to find the total ball first. We have the ratio of green and the red ball. I just add them and I get this 45. That is a total number. Okay, and I just do the ratio and then I get the answer into 750. Okay.
Alright, okay.
And then question number 11. In the question number 11, we have to find the ratio of guests who ate burger with onion to the total guest, and we have to find that person who ate the burger but they didn't have onion in that burger. So we have to find the ratio of the total person and we have to do the subtraction, and then we will find a person who ate the burger who don't have onion inside that burger, and the ratio 33/44, and we get the answer. Okay.
Please.
And the question number 12 is we have to find the ratio of orange to that of mangoes. So basically orange are total orange and mangoes in the inside the bag are 30, and we have to do the subtraction of mango, then you will get the answer 13. That is the total oranges in the basket. So 17 by, oh, I just wrote it. We have to find the ratio for the orange and the mango na, and then the same ratio will be, because they cannot be proceed further into their lowest form. Okay.
Okay.
And the next question is 13. So in the 13th question, we have to do two numbers, no, 13, 14 and 15 and 16 are slightly bit different. Okay, so we have the number are in the ratio 8 and 7 and their sum is 60. Find the two numbers. We have to find the two numbers. Basically you have to suppose something, you have to let, then you have, when you let something, then you can conclude your answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so here I just wrote 8x plus 7x is equal to 60. I just add these two numbers. I just add these two and I get my answer. Okay.
Okay.
And then 15x is equal to 60. And x is equal to 60 divided by 15. I get the x4. I just have to put the value of this 4 from in which I let the x. And I get the two numbers. When I add these two numbers, I will get the 60. Okay.
Alright.
And I think 14th part was done by you, Aryan.
Yeah.
Okay, can you show it? 14 is the same, sum of two angles in 90 degrees. Okay, so you wrote it like 3x, 2x plus 3x, that is 5x is equal to 90. X is a little bit closer. X is equal to 90 by 15 and you get 18. And then you put the value. When you add 54, 36, you get the answer exactly 90.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so question number 15.
Because 6 plus 4 is 10, 0, 1 carry over, and 8 plus 1 is 9.
Yes. So this is a question number 15. The question number 15, we have to follow the same rule. But here we have three different angles. Here we have three different angles. We have to add them. When we add them, and then we have this value of x. When I have a value of x, I have to put value of x in each of them. Like in 1, in 2, in 3, and all of them. And I get the answer 180. And my sum is equal to 180 as well. Okay.
Okay.
And the last part of this 10A exercise is we have to do it again. Like let be x, 5x plus 7x, and we have to find the share between Annie's share and Biju's share. And 5x plus 7x, 12x, I get 1500. And then division, I get 125. I just have to put the values in the Anya's, in the Biju's. I get Anya's will have 625 and Biju will have 875. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any question in this application based exercise, Aryan?
No.
You get the idea how we have to solve the question. If they are like in the question in the 10A exercise, if you get application based, then you can solve both of them. Is it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. B, we have to do state which of the following are in proportions. So we have to follow the rule product of extreme and product of mean. So we have two different kind of ratios. on the left hand side and right hand side, we have to make that both are equal or not. So you have to make it equal or not. So by looking at the example number 9 here, when you go back onto the page number 142, there is a example number 10. By looking at that example number 10, we have a first part that says 8 ratio 8, 12, 6 and 9. Na? So when I put ratio between them, 8 ratio 12, double ratio 6 ratio 9. So I just product of extreme, the first part and the last part. Product of mean, the second, both part. Multiply and I get the same answer. So I just have to follow this same method in the exercise 10b.
9 multiplied by 8 and 12 multiplied by 6 is the same thing.
Same thing now, we just multiply extreme to extreme and mean to mean.
Yeah.
So here I think I have to I don't think it is 7 multiplied by 27, 3 multiplied by 63. I will get my answer. Okay.
But then when you multiply 12 times 6 and 8 times 9, you're going to get different answer for product.
Yes. But if we follow the product of extreme to product of mean, that will give us the correct answer. Okay. Can I start?
Yes.
Now exercise 10b. This is the first question, in which to check if two ratios form a proportions, calculate the cross product and see if they are equal. So this is a ratio 7 ratio 3 double ratio 63. And if you get confused to find the product of extreme and extreme of mean and extreme, remember I told you this method. Then fraction, the ratio is like fraction, na? Double fraction is this and this. You can do the which method? Cross multiplication. Which? You can do this cross multiplication. Did you get it?
Yes.
And then 7 is multiplied with the 27 and 3 is going to multiply with the 63. And let me know if we are getting the same answer on both sides or not.
Alright, okay. 3 multiplied by 60. No, we don't.
No, we will.
We do.
Yes, we do.
7 multiplied by 27 is...
Here is 27. Huh?
Yeah, wait.
Okay, do it.
And then... Okay, and then 4. 489.
From 727.
Yeah.
Okay, now do the 363.
189.
See, we are getting the same answer. So we can say this is, here is a solution to each part. So we can say that this is a
Miracle.
not miracle. This is a proportion. This is a proportion. Okay.
Okay, so equal thing is a proportion.
Yes, you can make a bracket and then you write this is a proportion.
Oh wait, can we just jot like, instead of doing this, can we just not like do 63 is to 27 and its lowest form? And then we get it.
No, not lowest form. I have to make both sides equal.
Yeah.
If you get 63, 27, that is thing. But in your book, in your textbook, they try to solve this method, the thing I solved right now. They want this method. Okay?
So 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. 9 multiplied by 7 is 63.
Yes. Okay?
Okay.
Now the B part. B part is again same. We have the 4 different quantities and we have to make a proportion. So that will be in the B part, that is 60 ratio 50 double ratio 180 ratio 150. Now I will do this thing. Solution, I will do 60 divided by 50 is equal to 180 divided by 150. Okay, now I will do the cross multiplication. 60 is multiplied by 150 and 50 is multiplied by 180. Now multiply both of them and give me the answer.
Cross multiplication is like multiplying means and extremes.
Yes, means and extreme. You are multiplying the one nominator with another denominator, and you are multiplying another nominator to the first one denominator. Same like this.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, 6 multiplied by 150 is
60. It is 60.
6. Okay. Now I'm just removing the 0. 6 multiplied by 15 is 50.
Okay.
0, 1.
But here you are multiplying. You don't have to remove that. 60 will be multiplied like 150 if they are on division.
30. 730.
No. 60 and 50. This is 150. This is 60. Zeros are 0, 0 5s are 0, zeros are 0. And 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30. 6 1s are 6, 7, 8, 9.
1 times 0 is 0. So it's
6 5s are 30. 9. And 6 5s are 30. No, I have to put the cross here.
9,000.
Yes, 9,000. And why you did give me the wrong answer? I told you when we have to do the division, then will be the answer. And this is 9,000. And give me the answer from here as well.
Which one? The 50 multiplied by 180?
Yes.
5 times 50 times 0, 0, 0 plus 3 is, and then add 1, 9,000.
That is 9,000. So it is proportion?
Yep.
Yes. Did you
Okay,
get
now
it?
I get it.
Very good. Okay, try to do the C part, Ara. Okay.
Okay.
So here it is like 10 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hour and 36 hour. So again the cross multiplication, maybe you get it or maybe you won't. Okay. Try to do it right now.
36 hours. 36 hours to like minutes.
Yes. So this, you don't have to convert anything. You don't have to. Okay.
But it's 10 minutes.
No, we don't have to convert anything. Just use the data that is given. Now 10 ratio 36, 10 ratio 1, double ratio 6, ratio 36.
30 slash 10 slash ratio and proportions. Oh, proportions is another topic, technically.
Yes.
1 C. Yes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, double ratio, 6 and 36.
Yes. So 10 is multiplied with that is 10 is extreme, na, and 36 is also the extreme. 10 multiplied by 36 will give 360, and 1 hour and 6 hour are the means. 1 multiplied by 6 will give 6. So do you think they are proportion?
No,
No. How to solve it?
no.
Okay, solve it and show it to the screen. when you're done, then do the D part, and then we will discuss it. Maybe that is also not. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, finished.
बैठो नीचे बैठो 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 बैठो
Done? Okay, so 6 and 360. Okay, that is a good thing, but I just want to add one more thing. You did it correct, Anna. I just want to add more thing here. So when you have a proportionality like this, for example, we have a proportionality 10, proportion 1, and then 6, and then 36. Okay, when I will write 10 by 1 is equal to 6 by 36. So remember just one thing here. Okay, when I have to do the cross multiplication, 10 is located here first. So 10 is multiplied by 36 here. This is the exact position of these two things. And this is going to be here. Then it should be like at the second term. Okay, 10 is the first term. So this thing will have to move to the 10. Then 360 is equal to 6. So you did think correct, but you just switch their places. And that is important thing also. Okay.
Alright.
Now try to do the D part.
D.
2 0 0 0, 2 2 0 4 40. And I think that is also not a proportion. Okay, when you solve it, you have to remember write one thing. You have to write not a proportion. Okay.
That is it not proportional.
That is not a proportion because 3360 is not equals to 60. It is not. That is the D part. That is also not a proportion. Very good. Excellent work. Now read to question number 2, Aryan. What we have to do in the question number 2?
Find x in each of the following proportions. Wait, I know this. I want to try it.
Find the x in each of the following proportion. You have to use the same method like a cross multiplication, and then you have to separate the x. You will get your answer. Okay.
So am I supposed to like multiply the means and divide it with the extreme?
Yes, product of mean, product of extreme. Product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Okay. Okay, now I will write the question number 2 here. 2 first part. I will do the first part, rest of part will be, you have to do it, okay? Listen carefully. Now this is x. I have to check the question again. Okay, that is x ratio 12. Okay, x ratio 12, and then double ratio 14 into 24. So x by 12 is equal to 14 by 24. The cross multiplication 24x 14 multiplied by 12. I will have 168.
So I'm supposed to like, what do you say, LCM of the denominator first, right?
Yes. No, 24 is multiply here, na? That when I switch to another place, it will be divided. 168 is divided with the 24. And you will have your answer. That will be 7. And you have to mention x is equal to 7. And you have to write it like this.
Wait a second, I just want to try something.
Yes.
Just try if this works or not.
Okay, you have to do, can you do the B, C and D and E part? Why the E part is half?
What do you mean?
That is 8 ratios x. I can't able to see the next ratio proportionality.
7:3.
Okay. Can you do the part B, C, D and E, Aryan?
What's the grammar?
That will be for your homework task. Right now you have to complete the B, C, D and E is your homework task. Okay. Try to do the B part right now. And then give me the answer.
Okay, just give me a second. 24. first one answer was 7.
Second question has the 7 answer same?
No. Just saying the answer for the second question, first one is same.
Okay.
So
The
again,
first A part, second A part has a 7 same answer. You're saying this.
No, I was just confirming that the first part was 7.
Yes, that is.
Because I tried it like 12 multiplied by 4 and then dividing it with 24.
Why 4? Where is 4? There is no 4.
12 multiplied by 14 divided by 24.
Yes.
So then is it compulsory to find the LCM then?
Yes. No, there is nothing. You just have to do the cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication and multiply the thing and separate the x from the number. Simple.
Okay.
Now try to do the B part. 15 ratio 7 double ratio 60 ratio x.
Alright. B. 15 ratio
अच्छा मैं इतनी कम लगी मुझे लाइटली देती है
double ratio 60
अब
x.
नहीं लगी अब नहीं लगी एक थप्पड़ पड़े सीधे रहते हैं
Done?
I just wrote
B part. Question number 2 B part. Okay, 15 single ratio 7 double ratio and then you just 7 multiply by 60 and that will be 420. No. Where is 15? You have to write it 15x. Why didn't you mention the 15x, Arya? How did you get 15? Like look at the board. I multiply 24 with x. I have to mention the value with x. Then that whole thing will be described that this number is going to be divided on the other side. Why?
ये
Now try to solve it. Try to solve it again.
this.
15x. No, Aryan, you have to do it again correctly. Cut this and do it again. That is not a like it's just showing that is multiply. That is not the x. Remember that when you have a x should be mentioned like this, Okay, this sign will shows the multiplication. Okay.
How do you do this?
I just the two cursive C's, two C's intercrossing each other, like this.
Yeah. I did it like
Yes. Okay.
E 15
इसलिए मुझे लगी इतनी चीजें
double ratio 60 is to
Done.
1 second. Yeah. And then
Yes.
15x
And then C, D, and E part is for your
15x equal 7 multiplied by 60 which equal 20 is equal
done.
yeah.
Show it to the screen again. Now it is correct. Very good. Very good. C, D, and E part is for homework task. So can we move to the question number 3, Aryan?
Yeah.
Determine if the following are in proportions.
Wait, let me just leave the gap for this.
You have to write the homework after this. That question number 2, part C, D, and E as your homework diary. Okay, write it down. After the class, you have to write and share with me.
Yeah.
Okay, Aryan, I think the question number 3 and 1 are the same. In the question number 3, we just have to do, these are the bigger numbers. We have to, product of extreme and mean. We have to find the proportionality, if they are equal or not. Okay, I will do the first part. 3, first part. The numbers are 15, 45, 40 and 120. Is it? Is it so? Okay, now I will do the proportionality signs between them. I will use the proportionality signs. And 15. And this each step will help you to solve, okay? Don't skip a single step here.
Okay.
Cross multiplication. Then 15 is multiplied by 120. Do the double brackets. And then 45 is multiplied by 40. Now do the calculation and give me the answer. Are they proportion or not? Okay?
Okay.
Hurry up.
45 multiplied by.
Done?
Where did the 45 multiplied by 40? 100.
45 here, 40 here, 0 5s are 0, 0 4s are 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. So that is 1800. Okay?
15 multiplied by 120 after
5 zeros are 0, 5 2s are 10,
1800, yeah. Same thing.
5 1s are 5, 6, 1 zeros are 0, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. 1800. So these are proportion. These are proportions, okay? Now Aryan, you have to solve the third B part right now and give me the answer. I am writing the homework task on this page. Question number 2, C, D, E, and question number 3. You have to do the question number 3. Here we have how many? C and D. C and D. Okay? Okay, when you're done, let me know. 5 by 1, 40 by 160, 1540 middle terms, extreme terms, and they are not proportion. Very good. Excellent work. So we have completed the fourth part. And this is the fourth part. We have to do the same thing. We just have to mention few things. Is it?
Yeah.
So, do you have any question in the exercise 10B, Aryan?
No.
Very good. Can you, the rest of the question is for your homework, okay? You have to complete and share it with me. Now I will start these application based problems. If 4 liters of petrol cost 380 rupees, how many liters of petrol can be purchased for 665 rupees? So these are ratio. 3 digits are there, 1 is missing. So you can assume that that missing part is X. Okay?
Okay.
You can mention 4 ratio X, double ratio 380 ratio 665. Can you write it down?
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, wait. So I'm supposed to like 380 ratio 665 and 4x.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You have to mention 4. 4 into the ratio 380. 4 into the ratio 380. Double ratio X in the ratio 6 and 65.
With this?
No. Because that is a liter is related to the rupees.
No.
Rupees, na? liter. So I think you have to cross it. You have to cross this term, Aryan. Liter is related to the price. So the 4 liter has the price 380. Then 4 proportion 380. Write it down. 4 proportion 380.
4 is to 380.
4 proportion into 380 and is equal to double proportion. So we have the liter of price 665?
Wait, you're telling me to write like this?
4 in, yes, like this. Exactly like this. Now put the double ratio.
Alright. And then 665.
And then do we have a value? Do we have a liter for 665 rupees? No. That is a missing part. You can place X there.
Okay.
And then write proportion into 665. Then show the equation. Exactly like this. Now solve it. Now convert this into fraction. Cross multiplication. You will get your answer.
Okay. So 4x. 380x equal 4 multiplied by 665 equals 4 times 665 5 2 and then 2 6 0 1660 and then
Done?
1 second. Which equals one second. 380 last one, which is 380, right? Yeah.
Okay.
7.
Yes, that is a correct answer. 7 is a correct. Show to the screen. Yes, 360 doing cross multiplication and you divided the 380.
I didn't do the cross multiplication.
Okay. And yes, exactly, Aryan. That is the correct answer. Well done. Very good. So I think all of the problems are like this. They should have a 3 different values and we have to find the missing number. Okay. Do you have any question in this exercise, Aryan? Everything is clear?
Yeah, but then I have a small doubt.
Yes, you can ask.
Why do I put like 380 and then x?
No, this is the important thing. Remember, in these type of question, their things will be like 4 quantities. The price of one quantity will be together. For example, the liter is with the price. In the second liter, we do have the price, but we don't have the liter. So thing will be like x and y is equal x1, y1 is equal to x2, y2. x1 is given, y1 is given. In the second equation, y2 is given, but there is no x2. So you cannot say like this, I have to arrange the equation like this. First 3 equation, then I have to put no. They're 2 person. For example, let's consider Aryan and me. Aryan has the money to buy books. I don't have money, I have to buy the books. So how much money I will be needed to buy this kind of book, English, Maths or specific. So I will arrange your money with your price, with your number of books you wanted to buy. and my I don't have a many, I will put that x, and I have to count how many books I have to buy, and I do the cross multiplication division, I will get the answer. So the thing, first two things are proportion and the next two things are proportion.
So X is like the missing number we have to represent.
Yes, we have to put it like x. We can put any variable with that number, and we have to separate that. And
Just like the thing, X is like the main cause for the calculation.
yes, main cause, because that will help us to find the missing number. That's why we use x. That doesn't matter. You can use a, b, c, or any letter, any number. Okay. Any other question do you have, Aryan?
No.
Okay. So far, so good.
Yeah.